Hi, my name is Nadja and today I want to show you how to clean the DULCOEYE LT sensor for low turbidity. The sensor is basically maintenance free, but just in case you want to or have to clean it, I show you how to do it. Today we're just working with deionized water, pretty easy, but just in case you have harder deposits you can also use for example ethanol or acetone or 1% of hydrochloric acid. You take your bottle and you just rinse the surface of the sensor head. And then you can take a cloth and gently clean the surface. Make sure that especially the two windows you can see here for the detector and the light source are clean and that there is no deposit on it. And then afterwards it's pretty important that you use this kind of cloth that comes with your sensor to get rid of any dust particles that may stick on the surface. This is important so that you then obtain later correct measurements. During maintenance, you have to change the O-ring of the sensor head. Therefore, you just simply pull it off, very easy, take the new one and put it on the sensor head. And that's it. After cleaning the sensor head, we now clean the flow reservoir. Therefore, you have to make sure that there is no water incoming, so stop the water on the inlet side. And then you also have to open the rinsing valve at the bottom of the flow reservoir. Then it's basically the same process. You take your bottle, in this case it's just water, take a cloth and clean the flow reservoir from the inside. After doing so, take this cloth here to make sure that there is no dust inside. After cleaning the flow reservoir, make sure that you close the bottom valve and open the inlet again.